In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate your due dates on Monday.com, making task management easier and more efficient. Automating due dates can save you time and reduce the risk of missing important deadlines in your projects. To start, we'll focus on setting automated due dates. First, navigate to your to-do list boards on Monday.com. If you haven't already created a board, go ahead and set one up, as it's essential for organizing your tasks effectively. Once there, you'll want to add 3 new columns. You can do this by simply clicking the plus sign button, which is located right next to your last column. When you click to add a new column, select the date column type. This will be our due date column, representing when each task is supposed to be completed. It's important to rename this column to due date so that it's clear and easy to identify. After you've done that, repeat the process to add 2 more columns. For the second column, rename it to event date. This column will be crucial as it indicates the actual date of the event you are planning or working towards. Enter some example dates to get a feel for it. These sample dates will help you understand how the automation works later. Now for the final column, name it offset. The offset refers to the number of days needed to complete a task before the event date. It is essential when planning backward to ensure everything is ready in time. Set the numbers in this column to negative values, as they represent the number of days before the event date your task needs to be completed. Now that your columns are in place, let's move to automate these dates. Click on the automate button, usually located in your board's menu. Then look for and click on dependencies. This section is where the real magic happens. You'll want to select the template that says, when date changes, adjust another date by the number of days in a number. Within this template, start by clicking on date. Choose the event date first, as this is the anchor date from which everything else will adjust. Next, click on the another date field and choose due date. Lastly, click on number and select offset, as it will guide how the due dates are calculated based on event dates. Finally, complete the process by clicking on create automation. Congratulations, your due dates will now be automatically updated and adjusted based on the event dates and offset values you've set. This automation will help ensure that all tasks align perfectly with your project timeline, allowing you to focus more on getting things done rather than managing dates manually. And that's how you automate your due dates on Monday.com.